Okay, and this episode of Bad Bird, these birds won't take a trip where they expected their trip to be. Their trip was going to be a summer school, but they all got pranked. They were going to their new college. Their college, mostly music. They all play a musical instrument. Some were absent on this day, so there may be a few kids absent. Or birds. No kids, birds. And let's begin this, everyone! Woohoo! Okay, now let's see the bird go up the escalator, the special one. Even more birds come. Okay, let's speed this up.
I feel like this is gonna be boring.
Usually I was like some school very boring. Oh, let's pick destination. We're in California.
Yes, it's in California.
I thought you said it's in Finland.
Can I tell you guys something?
Okay, attention. So, you guys are going on a surprise trip? Where? To? Where? Your new college. Fastest miss. Yay, college! Let's go. Let's go. Our first. Wait, isn't this a music school? Yeah, it's a music school. Don't we love our instruments? Yeah, mine. Yeah. Mine. Trumpet's the best. Okay, Anna, we don't have to spare. Halt. Any day's Halloween for you. Right. Halt, wait. Don't you play the trumpet? Oh, next Otto again. Strange. Jennifer's right back of me. And Ahmad is right in front of me. Let's wait for both of them to arrive. Okay, all of you guys know how to play Angry Birds song. So let's go. Okay, let you guys play by yourself. You guys pretty know, drums do not play. Woo! Okay. Brian, give a bang on your drums. And Anthony, give a bang on your drums. Okay, good. First piece of the day done. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.